show you real quick what we have done with this garden bed. This is almost 16-foot bed. This is going to be part shade and part sun. I've got lettuce in here all the way down to this rock. And then, shoot, what else do I got in here? Oh, more lettuce. All the way down to this rock here. And then I have radishes. We got leftover pieces of fence right here that all I did was take a little loose piece of the extra piece of wire here and wrap it around for our peas and anything else that's going to climb. I'm calling this garden bed this year Trash to Treasure because everything was free except for one thing, and I'll show you what the one thing is here in a minute. This, I'm doing a layer of straw, dirt, more straw, and I'm going to continue doing so. And that's going to be my tomato cage. So each section that has dirt in it, right here, I'm going to put potatoes. So they're going to basically grow outwards. This is another bed that we did. This is about a 16-foot or two. Down here, I planted carrots in here. All the way up to this stake here. But down here, these are going to be used for zucchini plants this year. And I'm going to see how well those turn out. This here, on this side, and over here on this side, is going to be herb beds. I got strawberries and blueberries in this bed here. And over here, I'm going to change this up a little bit. I'm still undecided on what layout I want to do. Corner to start in the corner and come out and go the opposite direction, or just leave it in a row. This here, I went and took a old dog kennel and took the metal pieces, used the wing nut to put them together, and these are going to be our climbers for our watermelon. I had to circle in this rose bush, one of my favorite rose bushes. I didn't want to get injured. And a compost pile we used out of scrap wire. The wood that we have down here, that's all this color, was all free. I got from my job. I make fishing tackle for work, so it's definitely interesting. These onions I bought from the grocery store. I just wasn't 100% positive if I was going to be able to get seeds from them or not, but we do have a little flower down here. This is the only money that I spent in there from the Dollar Tree. All I did, well, I should say all DJ did, was hammer this into the ground for me. Oh, you can't see it now. There's a hole drilled right in there, and we just fed them down that metal rod. They're like $1.25 a piece, and I got 16 of them total. And that's gonna be another herb bed. This bed was from last year? Yes, last year. Of course, another cage. I used small pieces of paracord. You can use zip ties if you want to. Just a couple ideas for you for vertical gardening. This is scrap wood that we got from a pallet company that they throw it out. Did a little bush crafting here and made our own trellis out of small paracord. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel, and we will catch you this season for gardening. These are our tires. I want to go too high, but I'm not exactly positive. I got a tiny bit of cleaning up to do in here yet. but we're going to use these for tomatoes. I did have to move them because there's watermelon going into this bed and going to be coming out this way, because I can't put those on climbers. They're about a 40-pound watermelon, and it just isn't happening. Oh, there they are. I did find some volunteer tomatoes, and these ones are the purple ones. Purple Cherokee, there we go. I did find a couple of those, so I said screw it, plant them in the tire, let them go.